Hi, and thank you for checking out our video. If you're looking to save money with your sprinkler system, I have a few suggestions for you. Very basic items, but then some that maybe you've never thought of before. One of them is be prepared to do some maintenance yourself. If you have what we would call a trenching shovel, it's a narrow shovel. That's one of the best things you can have to do little repairs yourself. Sprinkler systems are never going to just be a set it and forget it situation. Things break, they're in an environment with animals and heat and rain, so stuff breaks. Just be prepared to do minor things yourself. Secondly, buy material that's good quality. It just goes for anything. The better the quality you buy, the longer it's gonna last. We recommend not buying products at Home Depot and Lowe's. Nothing against them, but the products are more of a consumer grade product, so a little bit cheaper made than the same product at an irrigation specific store. The next thing you can do is, we have seen huge benefits with, is to make sure you have a pressure regulator on the irrigation system. Not all homes have this. New homes are required to have it. What it does, it just slows the water down so it's not being pushed out so fast. Not only does it help you to use less water, but it also helps you to retain the system you have and not have it break down prematurely. So pipes will last longer, the sprinkler valves will last longer, sprinkler heads will last longer because there's not that force on them constantly. Well, the last thing I have for you is install a smart controller. We recommend, the only one we recommend is the RACHIO controller. We've been using these for, I think, 8 years, and we have seen nothing but good success with them. Very intelligent product, very easy to use, and there's rebates available to help you offset the cost of installing one. So just a few things that might help you be ready to do some maintenance yourself. Buy quality products, install a pressure regulator if you don't have one. Remember, the best operating pressure for irrigation is around 50 psi, depending on how big the system is, but general rule of thumb around 50 is a pretty good spot to be. And install a smart controller. Well, I hope this helps you, and thank you for watching.